Here is a LG Xenon GR500 cell phone. It's got a cracked LCD screen, and in this video we're going to show you how to replace it. First thing you need to do is remove the battery and also the SIM card from the phone if it hasn't already been removed. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, you need to remove 6 screws from the phone as being shown here in the video. Next, using a safe pry tool, run this along the sides of the phone to release the clips. Once the clips have been released, you will be able to remove this back layer from the phone. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws as being shown here in the video. If they haven't already fallen out, remove the volume key, the hold button and the camera button from the phone. Next, slide the phone to the side and then lift the motherboard out gently as it is still connected by a flex ribbon. Ease the motherboard up and then release this pop connector using the safe pry tool. Once done, you can remove the motherboard from the phone. Next, using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 8 screws as being shown here in the video. Once all the screws have been removed, you can remove this keyboard layer from the phone. Next, remove the 6 small Phillips screws as being shown here in the video. Next, using a safe pry tool, which are available on the repairsuniverse.com website, run this along all sides of the phone, releasing the clips. Once the clips have been released, you can remove this layer from the phone, as being shown here in the video. Using a safe pry tool, unpop the pop connector from the bottom of the phone. Then unstick the ribbon from the back of the LCD screen. Then remove the 2 small pieces of tape from the back of the LCD screen. Next, lift up the connector jaw. You can now remove the LCD screen. You may wish to use the safe pry tool to lift this from the front of the phone. Gently pull it out the connector jaw. you can now replace the LCD screen or digitizer.